Students, I'm going to continue the chapter agriculture of 8th class from geography, and today we will talk about the agriculture in developed and developing countries. As you know very well that agriculture is practiced in all over the part of the world, though the methods of the farming are different. So let us compare the agricultural practices in developed country. We have taken the example of USA, and developing country as example of India. Here in USA, the farm size is big, near about the 250 hectares, and in India, the farm size is small, near about 1.5 hectares on average. Next, the most American farmers, they practiced the mixed farming, where the cultivation of crops and rearing of livestock is done on the same farm. But Indian farmers usually they rear their cattle away from the farm in their houses in the villages. Next is in America, the commercial grain farming is important here as they grow the single crop mainly for the international market. But in India, the crop is grown just enough to sustain the farmer's family. If any surplus crop is there, then they sold it in the near market. Then next, the farming in USA is done on the scientific lines. The most of the work is done by the machine with the uses of fertilizers, manure, pesticides, and good qualities of seeds they used. But Indian farmers mostly they don't have their own farm machines, and when they required, they hired those machines. As well as the uses of good qualities of seeds and fertilizers and pesticides, it is also limited in the Indian farmers. Then the farmers of USA, they financially well and the well educated they are, and the Indian farmers they do not have much money. They are mostly depends on the cooperative banks for the loans. As well as the American farmers, their farms are well connected through the transport and communications network to the nearest town, but Indian farms are comparatively less well connected. So these are the main features of developed and developing countries, and these are the agricultural development in both these countries. Thank you.